Hey, what's going on, guys? Motion in markets. This is just how I do. Coming to you with a Monday recap instead of a weekly recap. Learn my lesson. I had to learn. You either learn from a warning or you learn from experience, and I had to learn from experience. As you can see on MetaTrader, I have 4 or 6 different positions. And with these, I'm going to explain with news this time what my bias was on all of these. So I'm gonna go to the chart and I'm gonna take it to the 4 hour or so. I tried to get the news straight from TradingView, but look on Reuters via TradingView at the time. Wall Street futures nudged lower on Monday and government bond yields surged off the back of geopolitical tensions, volatility in China, and a scorching U.S. jobs report that dashed expectations of a near-term U.S. interest rate cut. Okay, with that news being said, I basically saw what I saw was pretty much price was already at such a high that it didn't even really make any new highs. So I was looking for some sort of breaker structure for today, and that's what I pretty much got. If I go down to a lower time frame, let's see the H1. Yeah, it was a sell at first, and then what did I do? I reversed the position, which I don't really recommend at this time because I still have to really get used to that myself. And it's not something that I would look forward to too much because in my head, okay, I'm already wrong in the position. What does flipping it going to do if it exhausts out and then reverts back to what it was doing before? That's kind of like my thought process. So I lost the first set of trades for a total of this amount, 0.05% loss on this one. And then I went back in. So if I go back to the chart on here, I'm trying to do this as thorough as I can. This is why I basically don't reverse the position because it just does a lot more math that you have to do and all that. I'm trying to figure out the sell because this is the buy. Hold on. Either way, NASDAQ was giving signals. Now, my mistake coming into trading NASDAQ today was as soon as the open happened, I was already in a position. Price was really nudging to the bullish side instead of the bearish side. But after some time, it did end up going into such a strong bearish move based off the news of what the Fed has said in their statement Sunday night, I believe. Yeah, Sunday night. So with that in the midst of it, it just became a thing where it's just like, okay, yeah, it's gonna have some tanking action. Now, this NASDAQ buy, however, was basically me saying, okay, I'm going to enter again. This time, I'm just going to ride this wave out. So that was my thought process. There we go. I bought right here. Then I exited right there. Now, holding these, I wasn't really too much of a fan of it because it was already about 11. So I just got out when I could. What else did I do? I did Dow. Dow showed me the same thing. I'm not going to go over the analysis again, but it just showed me the same thing. And pretty much that was that. These were my trades for today, Monday the 5th. Some parts of the day I thought it was Tuesday. Motion in markets. This is just how I do. Keep trading, everybody, because we all gonna need it with these house prices. My goodness.